starting? Okay, let's start. Hello guys, thank you for coming to this clickbait video that is going to talk about the one thing that I proposed to several of my clients and it has increased their ROAS a lot. 2022 is going to be a challenging year because of what is happening with the even newer iOS changes that are coming. I have a whole video about it, and we know that the problems that we had in the past, they were not solved completely. So it's going to be challenging, and the one tip that I have is not within the Facebook platform. If you believe that there are magical strategies or whatever, that if you make 0.6 ROAS, you're going to start making 3 or 5 ROAS, wonk, 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 wonk. It's not going to happen. So the one tip that I have, it's within your store. If you're having a store, if you're having a service, whatever you're doing, you need to understand that whoever is coming from Facebook ads is just a client that is coming with a specific cost. It's up to you to increase how much money this client is spending on the actual store that you're having. For example, you're having one item, you need to increase your average order value. You need to make them bundles. You need to make them buy more with upsells. There are very good programs that you can use. I'm not going to say them to you, but I can tell you that there are one-click upsells programs. Most probably if you Google it, you will find for Shopify and for WooCommerce that you can use. Basically, the strategy is this. Someone is buying something, the store is keeping the information, and then you're putting a message, hey, your order is not complete yet. Do you want to buy this for X amount of money? And if they decide to click yes, I want, the transaction is happening immediately, which means that they don't have to put again their information and such. It's called one-click upsells. Back in the day, it was super expensive to do it, okay? We were using programs that they were having $300, $500. I believe it was called CartHook. I'm not sure if I'm correct. But we used to have these kind of programs that you were paying $500 subscription every month in order to have them in ClickFunnels or whatever. So now it's easier. There are programs that you can use. One that comes to my mind is Zipify, one-click upsell for Shopify, but you can do your own research about the programs. I'm not an expert on that. Now, for me, as I see it, when you're sending someone from Facebook, it's just a lead, okay? And whether if it's going to spend $1 or $500 or $10,000 in your store or funnel, it doesn't matter. Facebook doesn't care because it says, I send it to a person for X amount of cost, okay? This is what they care about, to have a specific amount of cost. So if you're having a business which is having sales, but it's not enough ROAS, it means that you're having a problem with your numbers. And I have a whole video about why you fail on Facebook ads, which is explaining how to calculate your numbers and your break-even ROAS. But it's your fault if you are having enough sales, but you're not having enough ROAS. You need to fix that by creating more opportunities for your clients to buy stuff from you or increasing your average order value. Okay, and now is the time for some examples. Whoop, we have a supplement. Whoop, we have a second bottle of supplement. This is called a bundle. Instead of selling just one, you can convince people to buy two by offering them a discount for the second one. Another example. Op, we have a mobile phone. I'm going to sell to someone a specific mobile phone. Op, we have a case for this specific mobile phone. Guess what? And this is how you're having sales that they're going to link to each other. You just need a good developer. Good luck with that. I think I will never stop making other examples. I'm going to make another one. I'm having a great time. Op, I'm having some pills about insomnia. Op, maybe it's time to read Douliaridis Konstantinos' book. Success. Okay, and by doing this video, I couldn't help myself. I can do up to 100 million examples, but I'm going to stop with this one. Op, we have Monet. I really like this figure of Monet. If I like figures, maybe I'm going to like Salvador Dali. Whoop! And you have a sale of two figures that you could buy because you understand that if someone likes this one, maybe they're going to like also this one. Simple as that. One last thing before we close the video. I'm not an idiot. I do understand that some of the things that I'm saying, they're just theory. From taking a store of doing X amount average order value to X amount average order value increasing it, It's difficult. It's going to take you time. It's going to take you optimization of landing pages. It's going to take you using programs, trusting experts that are going to help you, a lot of things. But you need to go through that struggle. This is the thing that is going to help you a lot to increase your ROAS. Okay? This is a game changer. And this is something that even if it means that you will go out of your comfort zone, you will have to do in order to have a successful business. Sorry for this suggestion not being something that you are going to do in the Facebook Ads Manager, but this is the truth. This is what each one of my clients has done, and each one of my clients is struggling to do even better every single day, because this is what is going to distinguish the good e-commerce stores or funnels from other funnels that they are trying to have sales just because they have a product or whatever. You need to adapt to the new reality, and Facebook ads are more expensive from what they used to be 5 or 6 years ago. So this is my suggestion to you. I hope that you will go out of your comfort zone and you will start trying, and if you cannot do it on your own, hire experts and start trusting people to do it. You're going to be disappointed by a lot of them, but 1 or 2 that you are going to meet in this struggle, they're going to work it. I will see you in a future video.